My God, what have I done? We were riding in the morning sun, swinging bends and having fun. Oh dear Lord, what have I done? We were coming back from Fakamsi. We'd had to leave the party early, so it was just my man and me heading to Calais to cross the sea. But we wanted to ride the high mountain pass through the winding mountain roads, edged with rock and snow on the grass. To the top we wanted to go, up the Grossglockner pass. When we got to the fork in the road, I was leading the route and I chose to go to the top. So on I rode up the steep cobblestone road we go. But we wanted to ride the high mountain pass through the winding mountain roads, edged with rock and snow on the grass. To the top we wanted to go, up the Grossglockner pass. Oh shit, what have I done? Twisty cobblestone roads aren't much fun. Geez, that was tight. Here's another one. I can't wait till this is done. But we wanted to ride the high mountain pass through the winding mountain roads, edged with rock and snow on the grass. To the top we wanted to go, up the Grossglockner pass. Oh, what the fuck, there's traffic lights. I pray I'm gonna stay upright. Phew, the stop was really tight. We're getting near the top, alright. I made it to the top, jump off the bike into a happy dance. This feeling ain't ever gonna stop. Really glad I took the chance and made it all the way to the top of the friggin' Grossglockner pass. But we wanted to ride the high mountain pass through the winding mountain roads, edged with rock and snow on the grass. To the top we wanted to go, up the Grossglockner